This is the T4U half-a-gallon automatic pump sprayer pressure for your plants, cleaning windows, and more, where you need to have a sprayer that automatically sprays. Doing outdoor gardening or inside 365 for your plants. As we open up the package to show you how nicely it is contained. An instruction guide on how to go over and use and set up your product. Add liquid with measurements of the container for your favorite additives. Your pump opens up the length of the bottle, your release valve, the pressure button, and the adjustable knob, and your fill area, as well as removing off the top and adding in your favorite fluids, your stem, your pump, and the measurer. For long and extended pumps to lock, press down and push forward to lock. To release, press down and let go. We added our fluid to spray the plant. One pump gives a little pressure. Two pumps starts to get pressure. Continue to pump till it's pressurized. Once the pump starts to feel hard, please stop and start to spray. Our lemon tree, as we spray the leaves for moisture. We are able to adjust the knob for a pinpoint. Spray the pineapple. Give a light spray to the cactuses. When releasing the air, simply lift up on the tab and you can hear the air escape. So if you're looking for a hand pump to spray your household plants, cleaning your shower with cleaning spray, windows, and more, this hand pump may be something that you are after, with the measuring device, a hand pump, a release valve, adjustable nozzle, and a nice comfortable handle that you could press down and lock down. Enjoy your product if this is right for you.